Welcome back in as we look toward the downtown Toledo sky cam. We've got cloudy skies, a little bit of light drizzle, light mist that is occurring on what's been a very wet but warm evening across the area. 55 degrees, mid-December offering up some very warm weather. We're going to gradually turn cooler the next couple of days. It won't be a real harsh cool down, but you'll notice the difference, especially as we get into the middle of the upcoming week. Rain showers are still going to be on and off for some areas this evening. And between now and about 10 o'clock, going to be the better chance of a few of those showers, or at least low-hanging clouds, damp conditions. Not anything at this point that's going to be heavy, but did get several reports and indications that areas out towards Sandusky and Seneca County had over an inch of rainfall. Lighter totals at Toledo Metro and up into southern Michigan, but you get the gist of it. Many areas did have wet weather over the past 24 hours. Wind speeds are really going to kick up once we get a front into the area. That's going to be close to, if not just after midnight. We'll kick the winds up to about 35 miles per hour, and we'll send our temperatures gradually dropping, especially as we go after midnight. Still in the mid-50s, even upper 50s toward Findlay, 55 in Ottawa, 56 in Defiance. Even our lakeshore areas with that southerly wind feels great toward Oak Harbor, out toward Port Clinton and Marblehead, 54. Although it is wet this evening with rain that is occurring. It is gradually cooler. It's about 10 degrees cooler back towards Chicago, and that's more or less what we're expecting for tomorrow. It'll be about 10 to 12 degrees cooler. If you look at head out tonight, lights before Christmas, some sprinkles or light showers that are still occurring. Those are going to hang on the next couple of hours, but we will stay very warm, right around the lower 50s the rest of the evening tonight. By tomorrow morning, we're dry and returning to dry conditions. Some peaks of sunshine and a bit cooler at 36 degrees for that morning bus stop, and at the afternoon, dry and mild, 43 for the afternoon high. Now the rest of the evening, hanging on the clock here at 7 p.m. There's a few of those spotty, isolated light rain showers. The front itself clears through the area right around midnight, and that's going to kick the winds up, send us much cooler tomorrow morning, back into the 30s, and highs tomorrow afternoon will even out in the low to mid 40s. There will be some filtered sunshine that makes its way through the clouds, so some sun peeks back through tomorrow afternoon. Then on Wednesday, chance of a light rain snow mix. At this point, it's not anything we're expecting to accumulate across northwest Ohio or southern Michigan as we get into Wednesday. Tonight's showers are going to come to an end. It still is going to turn breezy as that front comes through the area, down to 36, but notice we'll stay above freezing tonight, and the winds are up enough there's no risk of any fog developing overnight. 43 the high Tuesday. Mostly cloudy skies, slightly cooler, but still above average for this time of the year. We dip back into the upper 30s, typical December feeling day Wednesday. Light rain snow mix, 34 on Thursday. Clipper system on Friday. This one's a little curious, could bring a half an inch of a snow accumulation, and much colder weather into the weekend. Look at this on Saturday, the winter solstice, 27 degrees, upper 20s on Sunday. So both weekend days expected to be below 30 degrees for a cold weekend if you're going to be traveling ahead of the upcoming Christmas week. That look toward the trend, though, as we get toward Christmas, continues to turn warmer Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week. Highs will be in the mid-40s, and that is part of a trend that will keep that chance of a white Christmas well below historical averages. At this point, about a 10% chance of a white Christmas, which typical definition is about an inch of snow on the ground Christmas morning. And beyond that, look at the country. Much of the United States, late December into the end of the year, will be well above average.